Do you find that in that discovery phase that opposing counsel is often looking for more information on your client at that point? Are they typically going back and asking for historical things or seeing what they're posting on social media sites? Or, I mean, what kind of stuff is uncovered in someone's life during that discovery phase? Because I'm assuming, they're going to be looking for anything and everything they can to defend their doctor client or the hospital client in that case.
Generally everything. I mean,
Yeah. Okay.
social media is the one that's, always a little bit dicey, because, some people want to kind of live their life on social media and they post a lot of things. And so, you have to make sure that with certain clients that, what's out there, because you're 100% correct. I mean, the defense is going to gather up as much as they can in the social media world. And, if you have a client that's claiming a back injury, but they're out skiing and they're water skiing and they're running marathons, well, that's a problem,
Right. Right. Right.
So the defense is going to, they're going to bring all that up, and they're going to, generally they're going to bring it up at the deposition and, ask the client about that. But again, I'm using extreme examples.
Sure. Sure.
But certainly it's happened. I mean, it's happened in my cases where certain social media is brought up and it's shown to the client, and you just have to be careful. But it's, medical history. That's a big thing, right? So, it's a case where, somebody is claiming that, they have a low back injury or something, from a procedure. I don't know, but they've had a history of chiropractic treatment on their back, history of physical therapy on their back, or they have got prior motor vehicle accidents, all of that. That's all part of the discovery process. All of that is going to be, really ascertained by the defense and then, brought up at the time of the deposition.